Hi, today we are going to make boiled lettuce. What they do is, they don't just work on the sauce. The appearance and taste should also be taken into account, so it might feel a bit wasteful. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Peeled garlic, crushed and then cut. Easier to release flavors. Millet pepper appetizer, just one will do. Half a small onion diced. If not, replace it with onions directly. The lettuce is cut first and then cleaned and cut off. At the beginning, only the stem part is taken. Then cold oil the ingredients, fried and colored over high heat. I use peanut oil. Take it out and put it aside. Add a little salt and sugar to boiling water. Peanut oil, salt and sugar are the base oil. It can make the color of vegetables shinier. The maximum fire is 20-30 seconds. Remove the oil boiled in front. After cooling down, add an appropriate amount of light salt soy sauce. Mix well. Drizzle on lettuce. All done. If you feel that there is too much oil, can be reduced in moderation. Most of the Guangdong food stalls, when cooking this type of dish, will use peanut oil. There's another important point. The soy sauce must not be salty. Therefore, it is recommended to use expo soy sauce. Finally, there will be books.